Should get a nice view of the Bristol Raceway. Oh, that's pretty cool. He's going up, up, up. So it tells me how many seconds I have left, how much time I have left. Looks like I got 11 minutes. Let's see how high I can get. Oh. Strong wind warning. All right, so maybe I gotta come down. Oh, no! Uh-oh. It is windy down there. Okay, it's too windy. I didn't realize it was gonna be that windy.
Just wait, if we take the olive, you're not here.
That's pretty funny. I didn't realize it was that bad. Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing again as yesterday, but today there's snow here. And we'll get a view. Okay, we'll do a little bit of a rotation. You can look around. There's the hill behind us. All right, Bristol Motor Speedway, baby. Bristol, baby. Coming down.